How to make money online, even if you're starting from zero. What if I told you there are people making money online every single day, without being famous, without a business, and sometimes without even showing their face? The biggest opportunity isn't coming in the future, it's already here. But almost everyone is looking in the wrong place. Making money online isn't about getting lucky or discovering a secret website. It's about solving problems that people are already willing to pay for. The internet has created thousands of opportunities that simply didn't exist 10 years ago. The challenge isn't finding opportunities, it's knowing which ones actually work. By the end of this video, you'll learn 5 proven methods that beginners can start today. Most people make one huge mistake. They spend months searching for the perfect way to make money online. They watch endless videos, buy expensive courses, and wait until they feel ready. Meanwhile, someone else starts with almost no experience, learns along the way, and earns their first dollar. The difference isn't talent. It's taking action before you feel completely prepared. Method number 1: sell a skill. The fastest way to make money online is by selling a skill. Maybe you can write, design simple graphics, edit videos, translate languages, create spreadsheets, or even organize someone's calendar. Businesses everywhere need help with these everyday tasks. You don't need to be the best in the world. You only need to be helpful to someone who values your time. Every expert was once a beginner who accepted their first client. Method number 2: create content. Narration. The second method takes longer, but the rewards can be much bigger. Create content. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, a blog, or a newsletter. The goal isn't becoming an overnight celebrity. It's becoming useful. Teach something. Solve a problem. Share your journey. Answer questions people are already asking. The more value you create, the more opportunities begin to appear through advertising, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and digital products. Content keeps working long after you finish creating it. Method number 3: sell digital products. Imagine creating something once and getting paid for it hundreds of times. That's the power of digital products. Templates, printable planners, budget spreadsheets, ebooks, checklists, online courses. Unlike physical products, there's no inventory and nothing to ship. Once it's created, it can be sold over and over again. Many people underestimate how valuable simple tools can be when they save others time. Method number 4: affiliate marketing. Here's something many beginners don't realize. You don't always need your own product. Companies are happy to pay commissions when you recommend products people genuinely need. This is called affiliate marketing. You earn money when someone buys through your recommendation. The key isn't promoting everything. It's recommending products you've actually researched or use yourself. Trust builds long-term income. Shortcuts destroy it. The secret most people miss. Here's the truth that many people don't want to hear. Making money online isn't about chasing every new trend. It's about mastering one skill, improving a little every day, and staying consistent long enough to see results. Most people quit just before things begin to work. Consistency is often the biggest advantage. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Choose one method. Take your first small step and keep going. If you enjoyed this video and want more simple strategies on building wealth, improving your mindset, and creating financial freedom, subscribe to Smart Toro Money Tips and join us for the next lesson. Your future self will thank you. Don't forget to like, click the bell notification, and see you in the next video.